Welcome to the curmudgeon's kitchen. Yeah, I know it does look like a kitchen. Well, it isn't. I'm in my decrepit greenhouse without a roof, and I thought I'd make some fermented honey lemon ginger. So, first step, of course, is getting some ginger. And this is ginger. So I'm just going to pull out a little bit. I don't want to pull everything out just yet because it hasn't died off. So let's find a nice piece. This is starting to die off. Quite loose as well. Let's see if we can just pop that out. And there we go. I reckon that will do me. That was easy. So there we go. Let's put a little bit of ginger out. What's more there? I'll let that grow a bit more. Let's go fermenting. Come up here. This is a lemon tree. So if we're going to have honey, lemon and ginger, we're going to need a lemon or two. So let's see if we've got any that are ripe. Beautiful. Grab a couple. I won't probably use all of them, but there we go. Honey. Haven't got a beehive. Wish I did, but I bought some from a farmer's market, which is meant to be completely natural, unpasteurised, and should be good for this. And let's keep the wife happy and clean these up out here. I wonder if my earthworms like ginger. Welcome back. So we've been out in the garden and we've got our ginger, our lemons. Now these lemons got really quite badly sunburned in our run of 40 degrees C plus days. I'm not quite sure what that is in Fahrenheit. Hey Google, what's 40 degrees in Fahrenheit?
40 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 104 degrees Fahrenheit.
There we go, 104 degrees. So lots of temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees C, and we've got a bit of sunburn, but I think they're still fine. So let's just slice some up, nice and thin. And they are beautiful, not a problem. Nice and juicy. I can smell the lemon from here. Yeah, nothing wrong with them. Here we go. Let's chop them up. Nice thin slices. A few marks and things on it, but nothing serious. It's always going to be that when you don't really use anything to protect lemons. I go through and make sure it's got no citrus gall wasp on it. But apart from that and the occasional fertilising, I really don't do a lot with lemon tree. Some of these are a little bit dry, so we'll chuck them out. Take some of the brown bits off. Take as many seeds out as we can. Okay, now to start getting the ginger done. Let's peel it. I washed all of these, by the way. So it's just a case of peeling it off. Might give them another rinse to make sure I've got all the dirt off. Ooh, it smells of ginger. Strange that, isn't it? Ginger smelling like ginger. One thing I've noticed about this ginger is, well, number one, the smell. Ow. Lemon juice in a cup hurts. As I said, number one is the smell of it. Really beautiful ginger smell. But also the texture. It just doesn't seem to be that stringy stuff you get from the supermarket. And it could be because it's so young. Let's just, look at that. Just slice through, it's not stringy at all. I might try doing. Yeah. This is the way to do it, using a peeler. Okay, just put that in the jar. Come back and cut that. Sauerkraut cruncher comes in handy again. Let's try this and try not to chop my fingers off. No. I can actually slice it thinner than that thing can. Now for what I think will be the messy bit. Oh yes, I'm right. I think I should have been putting the honey in as I went. There we go. So there it is, our ginger, lemon and honey all ready and in the fermenter. And as you can see, the juices have come out of the lemon and the honey is actually quite watery now. So we'll leave that for about 2 weeks and we'll give it a shot as a nice hot brew. All right, thanks for joining us in the Curmudgeon's Kitchen.
enjoy life, and I'll see you in the garden or kitchen. Bye.